Hello once again everyone, and welcome back to Johnny Letters. Today we're going to be talking about how to increase your capital in 2021. You see, it's so important to make money this year because who knows if there's even going to be money next year. So let's get into it. You're going to want to head straight back to QuimbleSocks.com. If you have an account, go ahead and sign in. But if you don't, this is how you sign up. Click the sign up button right on QuimbleSocks.com/TutyFruity. Create your Quimble account, username and password, and click the sign up button. I already have an account, so I won't do all this. Once you've created an account, you'll be shown a menu. It'll say, do you want to buy this? Do you want to buy this? I want you to explore that and find out about that stuff on your own. But for now, I'll show you my supplies. So here you have your Quimbles and you have your socks. I've got a couple of both. I've been, trading for quite a while. So this is where the money comes in, guys. You find yourself a good Quimble, find yourself a good sock. You're going to want to select whichever one you're ready to sell. In this case, for this example, I'll show you the sell screen for the common lefty sock that I own. This here is the sell screen for the common lefty sock. It's valued at $7.09. It's a sock made for left-handed people. As you can see, you can click that sell button and receive the money for the sock, or you can share it, you can send the sock to someone, or you can share on social media that you own the sock. So let's say you were to click the sell button, guys. This is where it gets kind of crazy. Once you sell, you will instantly receive the funds into your bank account, guys. This is what will happen after, just as we saw last time. After a week's time, the money starts rolling in. You claim your price, you get the big bucks. Guys, if you want more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment tonight. I will see you in the next one.